hear our NBN thing. Because my son-in-law was up that weekend, he came to our internet's just, well, it's probably our own fault, we haven't updated anything.
Yep.
And so he looked online and got some number you're ringing that they compare internet. He looked up
prices and that sort of stuff.
So he came up with that.
Yep.
So it just went from there.
What do I recommend?
Yeah.
For internet, for recommendations, I mean, I have Telstra at home, so that's just what I've always dealt with. Yeah, like their customer service and that isn't always the best and that sort of stuff, but they're such a big like networking company now that it's kind of just default. It's kind of like people just going to Apple or something like that, right? They just go with what's convenient and what people do. So I've always had Telstra. I've never swapped internet. But yeah, for internet, I don't really have any recommendations. I mean, it just depends what fits in your budget and that sort of stuff.
Yeah. My Telstra one was 50 gig.
Oh, okay. You're missing the battery out of this.
Yeah, the battery. Do you know why it's there? You know why? Because it bips all the time. You know, every so
oh yeah, it bips. Yeah. To fix that, all you got to do is unplug it and then plug it back in.
Yeah, well, that's what it did. So he just pulled it out in the end because we got sick of it.
Okay.
Just did that.
Yep, I got you.
So why does it bip?
It's just sort of like I think it's just to say to like replace it. That's what I was told. I mean,
but to get a new battery was really expensive.
Yeah, I just whenever mine's beeped, I've just unplugged this cable and then plugged it back in.
Yeah,
and then it just sorts it.
It goes for another however long.
For a little bit. Okay, so that's on. We'll let that boot up for a little bit, and then we'll get your phone and we'll connect it.
I was at class today, and I asked Di because on our program up there, it had that you were coming in June, but our class has been really slow. So she hasn't contacted you because we're not. I don't know, we're not, I think...
Not as busy.
The progress is not as... She's going over a lot of things again each time. So it'll probably be next term, next one, before she's got us to the stage.
Yeah. So what we'll do is I'll grab your phone. We'll just go to settings. So 6895. Normally they give you a little card with the internet password on it, but if you ever lose it, then it's always on the back of the router. On the bottom there. It says it's connected. Do you have a computer or something else?
I've got a laptop. I'm going to get it. My iPad's really old, and I said I'll mention to you I need a new iPad.
Yep.
And possibly a new printer, because I think my printer has died. It's been so good.
How long ago did you get your iPad?
Oh, it's a 4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so, not yesterday.
Yeah.
So I don't know which one to get, what to...
Yeah, the bad thing about iPads and Apple products is they will discontinue stuff on them, so then people actually have to upgrade. That's what I hate the most.
I can understand that.
I mean, you can always go get brand new ones, or you can always go to places and get refurbished stuff. If you are someone that likes to get refurbished stuff, definitely going to Jessett's in Wellington Street.
Because Mark's mum comes to our mum.
Oh, does she? Yeah, okay.
Nelly.
Yep.
And so she's lovely.
Yeah, she would be. He's such a nice guy, isn't he?
Yeah,
he's extremely nice. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, he's the only place I recommend people go if they want to buy anything tech related, or if they need a hand with anything.
For new ones.
For refurbished stuff, yeah. So this is connected as well. That's connected as well. So it's working fine. Is there anything you wanted me to run over with you on this? Because I noticed while we were talking, you had Trend Micro. Do you pay for that?
Yeah, this is another thing I'll talk to you about. My computer goes into Jimmy's
Car bill?
Carvel
Yeah.
every 12 months.
Yeah.
And they put the virus protector on and they scan it for any whatever.
Yeah. So,
And I don't know whether that's worth doing that.
no, you don't need it.
I don't need it.
You don't need security stuff on your computer. As long as you've got Windows Defender, that's enough. And as long as you
That's my husband.
howdy,
Hello. That's Alan.
As
Alan,
long-
this is Luke. We just
Hello, mate.
not too bad. How are you?
Dirty.
Dirty, working hard.
We washing filthy buses. Hello, mate.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, with this, you don't need it. As long as you've got Windows Defender, you don't need to be paying for any sort of subscription stuff.
Right.
With Carbill and places that like retail stores, they'll sell you this stuff. Like notice, like if you go on Harvey Norman and you buy a computer, they'll be like, all right, get this with it, and they'll upsell stuff, right? So you don't actually need this. As long as you've got Windows Defender, which you do, every Windows computer has it by default because it's Microsoft's. That's all you need. Just don't be downloading stuff online that you don't know what it is, or clicking dodgy links, and you'll be fine. Yeah, don't be spending money on this. So since you've got Trend Micro, it's covering the computer. It's covering it over the Windows Defender. So if you get rid of that, then you can scan it off Windows Defender.
yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, you don't need that. But I'll connect your TV to it as well.
Okay. Now,
But that's connected.